Hello everyone, welcome to online class. Today is 9th September and I will cover all the current affairs of the day with details. Don't skip the video, you may miss the details of the current affairs and watch from beginning to end of the video. Let's start the video. First question, who has been named by a British magazine as the top world thinker for COVID-19? A option Smriti Irani, B option KK Sailaja, C option Angela Merkel, D option none of the above. And the right answer is B option KK Sailaja. KK Sailaja has been named by a British magazine as the top world thinker for COVID-19. In a moment of pride for India, Kerala's Minister of Health and Social Welfare Minister KK Sailaja has been named by a British magazine as the top world thinker for COVID-19, which is eighth among 50 such public figures across the globe. Let us know more about Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram and the governor of Kerala is Arif Muhammad Khan and the chief minister is Pinayari Vijayanam. Next question, in which state the first mask ATM is inaugurated? A option Madhya Pradesh, B option Goa, C option Uttar Pradesh, D option Maharashtra. And the right answer is C option Uttar Pradesh. In Uttar Pradesh, the first mask ATM has been inaugurated. In Saharanpur, state of western Uttar Pradesh is dispensing masks. To get them, one has to put ₹5 so that the coin has a customized machine and the pop comes out with a face mask for use. Let us know more about Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow and the governor of Uttar Pradesh is Anantiben Patel and the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath. Third question, when was the International Day of Clean Air is celebrated in blue sky? A option 2nd September, B option 3rd September, C option 5th September, D option 7th September. And the right answer is D option 7th September. Let us relate to other option. 2nd September is the World Coconut Day and 3rd September is the 5th September is. In Uttar Pradesh, the first mask ATM has been inaugurated. In Saharanpur, district of western Uttar Pradesh is dispensing masks, and to get them, one will have to first send ₹5 so that the coin into the customized machine and pop out a face mask for use. Let us know more about Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow and the governor is Anantiben Patel and the chief minister is Yogi Adityanath. Next question, when was the International Day of Clean Air is celebrated in blue sky? A option 2nd September, B option 3rd September, C option 5th September, D option 7th September. And the right answer is D option 7th September. Let us relate to other option. A option is 2nd September is the World Coconut Day and 3rd September is National Wildlife Day and 5th September is the Teachers Day and International Charity Day and 7th September is International Day of Clean Air. And the day also highlights that air pollution is now the biggest environmental threat to health, but it is preventable, and UN has been observed the International Day of Clean Air. and the theme for 2020 is Clean Air for All. In India, our Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar will chair a webinar on this occasion. Let us know more about UN. The Secretary General of UN is Antonio Guterres, and the headquarters of UN is in New York, United States. Fourth question, who has become the president of FATA? A option Vinkesh Gupta, B option B Praveen Siddhartha, C option Rakesh Asthana, D option P.S. Ramsey. And the right answer is A option Vinkesh Gupta. FATA is the Federation of Automobile Dealers Association, which is an apex national body representing automobile dealers of India, and it was founded in 1964 by 4 regional auto trade associations to protect and promote the Indian retail automobile market. Fifth question, who has won Eternal Grand Prix 2020 Formula Race? A option Lewis Hamilton, B option Max Verstappen, C option Valtteri Bottas, D option Pierre Gasly. And the right answer is D option Pierre Gasly. Pierre Gasly has become the first Frenchman to win a race since Olivier Panis has won Monaco Grand Prix in 1996. Sixth question, the first ever cannabis medicine project will be set up in dash. A option Ahmedabad, B option Guwahati, C option Jammu, D option Ranchi. And the right answer is C option Jammu. The first ever cannabis medicine project will be set up with the collaboration of Canada at Indian Institute of Integrative Medicine in Jammu. Let us know more about Jammu. The mayor of Jammu is Chandar Mohan Gupta, and it is a union territory under Jammu and Kashmir. Next question, who will relaunch 10 hafte 10 baje 10 minute anti-dengue campaign? A option Assam, B option Delhi, C option Maharashtra, D option Gujarat. And the right answer is B option Delhi. The Delhi government has relaunched 10 hafte 10 baje 10 minute anti-dengue campaign. The Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, has launched the second edition of his 10 hafte 10 baje 10 minutes 10 weeks 10 o'clock 10 minutes campaign against dengue and chikungunya disease. Let us know more about Delhi. The Lieutenant Governor of Delhi is Anil Baijan, who is a IS, and the Chief Minister of Delhi is Arvind Kejriwal, and the Deputy Chief Minister is Manish Sisodia. Next question, which of the following state or United Territory has launched the online portal Sparrow for its administrative service officer? A option Madhya Pradesh, B option Jammu and Kashmir, C option Punjab, D option Telangana. And the right answer is B option Jammu and Kashmir. Sparrow, which is Smart Proposal Performance Appraisal Report Recording Online Window. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has launched the online portal Smart Performance Appraisal Report Recording Online Window for Jammu and Kashmir Administrative Service Officer. Next question, which city has been declared by US President Donald Trump first World War II heritage city? A option Washington DC, B option California, C option Wilmington, D option New York City. And the right answer is C option Wilmington. Let us know more about US. United States. The capital of United States is Washington DC, and the President of United States is Donald Trump, and the Vice President is Mike Pence, and the House Speaker is Nancy Pelosi, and the Chief Justice is John Roberts. Next question. What did Vodafone Idea decide to change its name to? A option Vodafone, B option Idea V, C option VI, D option none of the above. And the right answer is VI. VI has been changed from Vodafone Idea. Let us know more about Vodafone. It was founded on 16 September 1991, and the founder was Austin Harrison and Gary Wendt. The headquarters of Vodafone is in London, England, United Kingdom, which is the head office, and the register office is Newbury, Bristol, England, United Kingdom. Next question. Which has launched 24/7 toll-free mental health rehabilitation Kiran? A option ICI, B option United Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, C option Home Affairs, D option Minister of Tribal Affairs. And the right answer is B option Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment. Our Union Minister for Social Justice and Empowerment, Sri Thawarchand Gehlot, has launched the 24/7 toll-free mental health rehabilitation helpline Kiran, that is 1800 500 0019. And it was launched considering the increasing incidence of mental health during the corona pandemic. Next question. Which bank has launched video KYC to facilitate new customers to open savings account digitally? A option SBI, B option City Union Bank, C option South Indian Bank, D option Paytm Payment Bank. And the right answer is B option City Union Bank. City Union Bank has launched video KYC to facilitate new customers to open savings account digitally. Let us know more about City Union Bank. And it was founded on 1904, and the founders was R. Santhanam Iyer, S. Krishnan Iyer, V. Krishnan Swamy Iyengar. And the headquarters of City Union Bank is in Kummakonam, Tamil Nadu, India, and there are 700 branches across India. And the chairman of City Union Bank is Mr. R. Mohan, and managing director and chief executive officer of City Union Bank is Dr. N. Kamakode. These are the top 12 current affairs which I have compiled for your HM. If you like my current affairs and my style of teaching, then don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.